Welcome back to Everyday English Podcast, where you improve your English through real-life stories and everyday conversations. Today, you'll meet someone new. His name is Noah. Noah is a graphic designer who works remotely. Instead of working from home every day, he enjoys spending a few mornings at his favorite coffee shop. Have you ever ordered coffee in English? Do you know how to ask for a drink politely? Or how to answer questions like for here or to go? Today, you'll learn all of these expressions naturally through a story. So, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's begin. It was a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun was shining and the weather was perfect. Noah looked out the window and smiled. I don't want to stay home all day, he thought. He packed his laptop, headphones, notebook, and camera into his backpack. Then he walked to his favorite coffee shop. It was only 10 minutes from his apartment. As soon as he opened the door, he smelled fresh coffee and warm pastries. The cafe was cozy and full of life. Some people were reading books, others were working on their laptops. A few friends were chatting and laughing together. Soft music played in the background. Noah smiled. This is my favorite place to work. He joined the line and looked up at the menu. There were so many choices. Espresso, latte, cappuccino, mocha, Americano, hot chocolate, tea. He still wasn't sure what to order. Finally, it was his turn. The barista greeted him with a warm smile. Good morning. What can I get for you today? Noah smiled back. Good morning. I'd like a medium vanilla latte, please. The barista typed the order into the register. Hot or iced? Hot, please. Would you like anything to eat? Noah looked at the display case. The croissants looked delicious. There were muffins, cookies, brownies, and slices of cheesecake. I'll have a chocolate muffin, please. Great choice, the barista smiled. For here or to go? For here, please. Perfect. Your total is $8.50. Noah tapped his card. Thank you. Your drink will be ready in just a few minutes. English. Tip. When ordering at a coffee shop, these expressions are very common. I'd like, I'll have, can I have? All three are polite ways to order food or drinks. Example. I'd like a latte, please. I'll have a croissant. Can I have a cookie, please? Noah waited near the counter. A few minutes later, the barista called. Medium vanilla latte for Noah. He picked up his drink. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. Noah found a table by the window. He opened his laptop and started working. About 20 minutes later, someone stopped beside his table. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Noah looked up. A young woman smiled politely. She was carrying a cup of coffee and a laptop. No, Noah said, please have a seat. Thank you. I'm Olivia. Noah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. They smiled. It looked like a simple conversation, but it was about to become the beginning of a new friendship. Gliss tip. When meeting someone for the first time, you can say, is this seat taken? Please have a seat. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. These expressions are very common in cafes, libraries, and other public places. Olivia smiled as she placed her coffee on the table. So, Noah, do you come here often? Noah nodded. Yes, I do. I usually come here on Saturday mornings. It's quiet, the coffee is great, and I can focus on my work. Olivia smiled. I know exactly what you mean. This is my favorite coffee shop too. Noah looked at her laptop. Do you work remotely? I do, Olivia replied. I'm a travel writer. I write articles about different cities and cultures. That sounds interesting, Noah said. What about you? I'm a graphic designer. I design websites, logos, and social media content. That's really creative, Olivia said. Do you enjoy your job? I love it. Every project is different, and I can work from almost anywhere. Olivia smiled. That's one of the best things about remote work. For a few moments, they quietly enjoyed their coffee. Then Olivia asked, What's your favorite drink here? Noah looked at his cup. The vanilla latte. I've tried almost everything on the menu, but I always come back to this. Olivia laughed. I'm exactly the opposite. I always order a cappuccino. And I never skip dessert, she pointed at her plate. My favorite is the blueberry muffin. It looks delicious, Noah said. I'll have to try it next time. The English. Tip. When talking about favorites, you can say, my favorite coffee is, my favorite drink is, I always order, I usually have. These are great expressions for everyday conversations. After finishing their drinks, Olivia closed her laptop. So, what are your plans for the weekend? Noah smiled. This afternoon, I'm going to visit a photography exhibition. I love taking pictures. Olivia's eyes lit up. Really? I love photography too. Maybe we should go together sometime. That sounds like a great idea, Noah replied. They both laughed. Sometimes, the best conversations happen by chance. Noah looked at the time. Oh, I should get going. I have a meeting this afternoon. Olivia stood up. Me too. She picked up her bag. It was really nice meeting you. You too, Noah said. I hope we meet here again. I'm sure we will, they smiled. Wishing you a wonderful weekend. Thanks, you too. As Noah walked out of the coffee shop, he looked back for a moment. He realized something. Sometimes all it takes is one simple question. Is this seat taken? No. To start a meaningful conversation? He smiled. Maybe today wasn't just another morning at a coffee shop. Maybe it was the beginning of a new friendship. English. Tip useful expressions from today's story. Do you come here often? What do you do? What's your favorite coffee? What are your plans for the weekend? That sounds like a great idea. It was nice meeting you. These expressions are perfect for making small talk in English. Today's challenge. Imagine you're meeting someone at a coffee shop. Answer these questions in English. What's your favorite coffee or drink? Do you come to coffee shops often? What do you do? What are your plans for this weekend? Write your answers in the comments. I'd love to read them. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Everyday English Podcast, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. Keep learning, keep listening, and remember, every conversation is an opportunity to improve your English. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.